Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to down and install the Windows Subsystem for Android application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Store, best match, should come back on Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. In the search field up at the top, you want to go ahead and type in Windows Subsystem. And one of the best matches should come back a Windows Subsystem for Linux. Go ahead and open that up. It should be made by the Microsoft Corporation here. You can see that right there. And go ahead and select the Get button and give it a moment here. If you see a user account control prompt, select Yes. And once it's done, you can just select the Open button and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.